When the market gets this concentrated and when 10 stocks are driving the performance the way the Big Ten have since the lows in October, what tends to happen next to the market and to those 10 stocks?
Good afternoon, Tyler, and thank you for having me on the show. Yes, this is the most concentrated market ever. About 90% of the returns since the beginning of the year have been driven by 10 stocks in the S&P 500. And the contribution of those stocks, those 10 stocks, have generated 9.5 points of return this year so far. We haven't seen anything like that before. So we went back and we looked at the last 45 years or so since 1980. We divided each time frame into half-year periods, since we're half a year so far. And then we looked at, okay, what happens in concentrated markets? What happens after the 6-month period where you have 10 stocks really driving the market? And, somewhat comfortingly, we found that the market does okay. It kind of performs in line with history over the following 6 and 12 months. Those 10 stocks tend to modestly underperform, however. So collectively, in periods of concentrated market performance, what we found over the following 6 months and 12 months, those 10 stocks have generally underperformed by about 400 basis points.
And what does the market do in that time? Underperforming the market by 400 or 4 points, 4 percentage points of return. As you look at these amazing contributors this year, NVIDIA up 164%, Apple up 40%, Meta up 120%. What does the market typically do in that ensuing 6 months?
The market is usually up, but not as much. So on average, over the last 45 years, over any 6-month period, the market is up about 6%. In those 6-month periods following concentrated markets, it's up a little less than that, about 5.5. So encouragingly, we haven't seen markets collapse following concentrated markets, and we haven't even seen the large stocks collapse after very concentrated returns. So to some degree, that is encouraging. Now, I would underscore, we've never seen a market like this, right? This is the highest level of contribution from 10 stocks we've ever seen.